In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Claude AI history so you can clean up old conversations and protect your privacy. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to remove the chats you no longer want to keep. First, open Claude in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You should see a sidebar that includes different options for navigating your account. In that sidebar, look for the section labeled either Chats or History. The exact label can vary slightly depending on the version you're using, but it will be something along those lines. Go ahead and click on Chats or History. This will open a full list of all your previous conversations with Claude. Think of this page as your conversation archive. Every chat you've had in this account should appear here, usually in a chronological list, with your most recent conversations at the top. Once you're on this page, take a moment to scan through your list of chats. You'll notice that next to each conversation, there's a small selection box. These are the checkboxes you'll use to choose which chats you want to remove. If you only want to delete one or two specific conversations, simply click the selection box next to each of those chats. You should see a check mark appear when it's selected. If you change your mind, you can click the box again to uncheck it. This makes it easy to fine-tune exactly what you want to delete. If you have a lot of old conversations and you want to clean up several at once, just continue down the list, checking each box for every chat you want to remove. Take your time here. Once a conversation is deleted, you generally won't be able to get it back, so it's worth double-checking that you're only selecting chats you're sure you no longer need. After you've finished selecting all the conversations you want to delete, look for a button on the page labeled Delete Selected. This button usually appears near the top or bottom of your chat list, and it will only become active once at least one conversation has been checked. When you're ready, click the Delete Selected button. In many interfaces, you may see a confirmation message pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete those chats. If you see that, read it carefully, then confirm that you do want to proceed. This step is there to prevent you from accidentally deleting important conversations. Once you confirm, the selected chats will be removed from your history. You should see them disappear from the list, which is your indication that the deletion worked. If you still see a conversation you meant to remove, you can repeat the same process. Check the box next to that chat and click Delete Selected again. That's all there is to it. By opening the Chats or History menu, selecting the conversations you no longer need, and clicking Delete Selected, you can quickly clean up your Claude AI history and keep your account organized.